with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chorizo con papas in a tostada. Yes, and it is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
With Gloria, a woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you.
I'm going to start by getting ready my chorizo. The chorizo comes in this casing that I am going to remove. But let me tell you, once you make this recipe, you're going to love it. And like I said, it's really perfect for this hot weather. You could really enjoy it and not get your home that hot. I have half a red onion. I am going to cube it in small little pieces, and I am going to add it into the chorizo. I'm going to add it into the chorizo before the chorizo is cooked so the onion disappears but leaves all that amazing flavor behind. So here I'm just chopping away. I have my potatoes. I am going to start peeling my 3 potatoes, getting the skin off. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, this is an easy and delicious recipe. In a glass bowl, add some water so your potato doesn't brown. So here I am ready to slice nice and thin slices of the potato. And then I'm going to stack them and I'm going to start cubing them, slicing them thin. And then I am going to cube them. You want to make sure that all your potatoes are almost the same size, okay? Once you cut them in little cubes. So take your time because you want your potato to all the potato cook at the same time. So this is what's very important. Trying to cut all your potatoes almost the same size. Once you cut them and cube them, put them directly into the water so they do not brown. I'm going to continue, and now I have everything ready. The onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, the chorizo, and the potato ready to go. On my pan, I'm going to add the chorizo. I'm going to pull it apart. Once it's nice pulled apart, I'm going to add the onion. And we're going to incorporate and start cooking the onion and the chorizo. This is going to take about 5 minutes until you no longer see the chorizo, but you don't see the onion, and it has been covered completely with the chorizo. So here I'm just going to cook it for about 5 minutes, uncovered, just as is. Once in a while, I'm coming and just mixing around, making sure that everything is incorporated. Once you notice that the chorizo is getting brown, slightly golden brown, you're going to add your potato. Once you add your potato, incorporate it. Here I have the toppings for my tostada: sour cream, lettuce, queso fresco, this amazing pollo loco avocado sauce that you already have on my channel. Look at this. The tostadas, and I am ready. When this chorizo is ready, I am ready to start making my tostada. The chorizo is getting nice and golden brown. I am ready to add the potato. I'm going to take the water out of the potatoes. I'm going to add them in here, and then I'm going to incorporate, making sure that every single piece of potato is covered with the chorizo. Look at this. Like I said, very few ingredients. This papas con chorizo you could enjoy in so many different ways. You could make yourself some burritos. You can make yourself some tacos, crispy tacos. You can make some sopes and enjoy this amazing chorizo con papas. You could enjoy it with eggs. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now, once everything is incorporated, I am going to cover it. I'm cooking it in high heat. I'm going to cover it for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to come back, open it, flip it around, and you could see the chorizo getting nice and brown. I'm going to cover it one more time. Remember, don't overcook your potato. You don't want smashed potato. You really want the potato to keep its form. So now, look at this. The chorizo is nice and crispy. And let's check the potato. If the fork goes in easily, your potato is ready. So turn off the stove. Do not cover it anymore. And you're ready to prepare your tostada. Oh my gosh, my home smells amazing and delicious. On the tostada, sour cream. I'm going to add my chorizo con papas. I'm going to be generous with the lettuce on the top. Queso fresco. And then that amazing pollo loco avocado sauce that you already have on my channel. I'm going to add it right on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of my family. I'll see you in a bit.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
My friends, I am completely done with this huge tostada of chorizo with papas. This is the part I love and enjoy. I added some salsa de aguacate estilo el pollo loco. You're gonna make this amazing salsa and you already have it on my channel. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. Delicious. This came out perfect for this hot weather. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing, huge tostada. See you soon. Bye-bye.
With Gloria. Cooking with Gloria.